This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math the day before an exam. First, focus on reviewing material you've already covered. Trying to learn completely new concepts at the last minute can be counterproductive and increase stress. Instead, reinforce your existing knowledge by going over key formulas, definitions, and problem-solving methods. This approach builds confidence and ensures you solidify what you already understand, making your study time highly efficient. Next, engage in targeted practice by working through a selection of problems. Don't just passively read solutions, actively solve problems to test your recall and application skills. Choose a variety of problem types, especially those that have historically challenged you or are likely to appear on the exam. This hands-on approach helps identify any lingering weak spots and allows you to refine your problem-solving strategies under a bit of pressure. Finally, remember that your physical and mental state are crucial. Get a good night's sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours, to ensure your brain is well-rested and ready to perform. Eat a nutritious meal before the exam to maintain energy levels and focus. Avoid cramming late into the night, as this often leads to fatigue and reduced retention. A calm and clear mind is your best asset for tackling challenging math problems. On exam day, approach each question strategically. Read all instructions thoroughly to avoid careless errors and allocate your time effectively across different sections or problems. If you encounter a difficult question, don't get stuck. Move on and return to it later if time permits. Remember to show all your work for partial credit. And hey, while you're preparing for success, why not treat your feet to some comfort? Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.